NCLT passed a landmark judgment on 18th September 2025 in favor of resolution professionals. So far, the trend has been that whenever a company goes into liquidation, the RP would not be appointed as liquidator. Only because of one letter issued by IBBI dated 18th of July 2023, where the IBBI said that in case a company goes into liquidation, the same person who acted as RP should not be appointed as liquidator. So most of the benches of NCLT in India, they were in fact adhering to that, and they were not appointing the person who worked on the company. And because of the COC decision, the company went into liquidation. But now the NCLT has decided two very important question of law. One, that whether this letter issued by IBBI dated 18th of July 2023 is binding, and the decision was no. Even this letter was not issued in view of the powers of the IBBI. And the second question was, when the COC says that we want this particular person who acted as RP as a liquidator, COC submitted its own resolution, and thereafter NCLT appoints somebody else. So in this case, the RP, the resolution professional Manish Jaju, filed an appeal before the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, and the argument was that this particular letter is not binding. IBBI cannot issue a generalized letter for everyone. That power which is given to IBBI is only specific, and in specific cases, IBBI will have to give reasons why that person should not be appointed as liquidator. So this actually has resolved a lot of anguish of resolution professionals, because without any error of the resolution professional, if the company goes into liquidation, maybe it is because of the non-viability of the resolution plan, or maybe it is because of the decision of the committee of creditors, but the RP was getting penalized. Somebody else was appointed as liquidator. That has been resolved. This is in the case of Manish Jaju versus Committee of Creditors of Rajesh Landmark Projects Private Limited. A landmark judgment in favor of resolution professionals. Thank you very much.